Water damage can strike in the form of natural disasters like heavy rain, floods, cyclones and hurricanes, or as a result of human activities like firefighting, broken water pipes and so on. This may cause a water damage situation at your plant, warehouse, manufacturing unit, office, etc., which can be incredibly destructive. This may lead to huge losses. In cases of water damage, it is always important to act fast, and one needs speedy and effective water damage mitigation. You need a professional water damage restoration company after any water damage event. Water damage restoration is an emergency service to dry and restore water damaged assets. We preserve, protect and secure the assets from further damage and recover and restore the material to its original functionality. TDS is the expert in water damage restoration. After a water damage event, we get a call from the surveyor, insurance company or directly from the company where the event has occurred. Our Airgineer notes down the problem statement from the client and takes the appointment during the call itself. A site visit is planned as per the discussion. It's important to act within the first 24 to 48 hours to minimize the potential short and long-term effects of water damage. Our representative meets the customer and discusses the technical details. After the meeting, he visits the site for assessment. We carefully inspect the water-damaged property and assets and thoroughly document it with photographs before we create an effective plan of action for successful restoration. Once he comes back to the office, he discusses the assignment with the team members. After technical discussions, we decide which machines need to be sent to the site. The machines are properly packed and then dispatched to the site. Our technician installs the dehumidifier. Desiccant dehumidifiers absorb moisture through chemical attraction instead of condensation to remove water from the air. A desiccant is a material that attracts and holds moisture. There is no need to worry. We can dry water-damaged assets like machines, electromechanical equipment, bulk materials, leather goods, electric panels, archives and documents, etc. Let's see what our customers have to say about us.
And when our surveyor visited our place, he suggested us about TDS. So we immediately contacted TDS, and I think within 24 hours the guys were here with their machines and equipments, and we started the dehumidification process. And it took us around 48 hours to dry our equipments, the key equipments I would say, which are lying in our labs, and I would say we were successful to a level of around 95%.
Our panel cost is approximately 30 lakhs, but we did it with a very small amount. We pay a little amount to the TDS solution, which is quite economical. If I say it is even cheaper than the manpower we use. So it's a best service, and we recommended all people to use this service, and it's a new technology and you definitely get a benefit of that.
I know Technical Drying Services Asia Private Limited. Since last 8 years, I have availed their services for around 8 jobs till date. Last job we have got done in Chennai floods, which were involved in flood. The party was very much satisfied with their job, and we recommend that their services can be utilized by others.
We know technical drying services from last 4 to 5 years, and technical drying services are normally helping us in various kind of drying processes. In this incident, we got one of the claim for a storekeeper. They were having 2 warehouses in Kochi which were badly affected by water. Post visiting the site, we referred TDS to the customer for sample checking purpose. During their visit, TDS has dried approximately 15 to 20 files and given the sample to the customer. The customer appreciated the work done by the TDS, and thereafter they have awarded them with the contract.
In 2018 in Gurgaon came heavy rain in the month of August, and our plant got flooded. We contacted our insurance surveyor. They suggested us to call the technical drying services for water damage restoration services.
We at Technical Drying Services Asia Private Limited pride to say that we are the only professional company in water damage restoration services, where we are providing restoration services during disaster, floods and hurricanes. We are experts in water damage restoration jobs and have done number of jobs of various for drying of various equipments. We are available 24 hours in a day and 365 days in a year for your restoration requirements.
The clock starts ticking from the moment water enters the premises. No matter what time of day, you can call us anytime. Technical Drying Services, your water damage restoration expert.